Hi guys, how's it going? So I was using my Husky the other day and looks like the springs either snapped or something else has gone on. So I'm going to strip it down and I've been trying to find another spring for it, but I'm struggling to get parts at the moment. And then show you a quick bodge how to get you out of the shit. So yeah, get it set up in the tripod and then we'll strip it down. Not too bad working on these. There's 4 screws and the pull cord's off. Let's get the sword out of the way. Looks like we got 1 and then 4 little screws around the outside. So this is a bit of a bush fix, so if you're out and about. And get you back running. Try to get this up to the camera so you can see it. So just there, that has snapped off from this bit here. So what we're going to do is bring this, take all this out, and we're going to put a bend back into this. You can do it cold, but it'll keep snapping. You might get, you can. I've done it before where I've got it cold, but if you heat this up, we'll rebend it, and we'll bring it back on itself, so it'll hold itself until the new parts come. Get a little bit out. It'll focus. That's where it snapped there. Give this a quick clean out. Not getting your nuts on it. So we need to loop back on itself that way. So let's get set up. I'm going to use a bit of heat. Let's get the bottle out. You could do with finding something that is similar diameter to that to bend it round. That ain't bad. We'll use that spanner. Just bent it round. Not too bad. Go a bit more. Really need to get a vise in here. Bit warm. And here's the end result. We'll let that cool down and see if we can fit it back into the housing. Now that's cooled, give that a bit more of a clean, and we'll start feeding this in. This can be a bugger to do. Let me remove this cord. I'm just going to keep getting tangled up in it. This is probably the hardest part of doing this job. This is the method I use. Just slowly work my way around. Keeping it all pressed down with my fingers. Like so. Slowly rolling it all back in, and there we are. That's why we looped it there. Let's get it back together and see how she goes. Like, this is only a temporary fix. It'll get you out of a mess, like. Just got to line that little notch up with that little notch in there. Right there. Which way does this go now? That way. Try and line that notch up now. to be something like that. Oh, we're in. That's it. Get them little screws back in. If you don't drop them. I'll get this cord all strung back up, get it back through the handle there. Centre screw and washer. And then re-knot this. And on a lot of pull starts you'll have the a little notch right there. If you bring that round to where your cord is, bring your cord through, then you want to wind in the direction of the cord going out. What is clockwise on this one to get the tension back. Need more. Try that. Perfect. Let's get it back on the saw and we'll give it a go. Let's give it a whirl. So she was empty of fuel. I gave it a few pulls and nothing, so yeah, I checked the tank, she was empty, so I've just primed it and yeah, she should be good now. I give it a few pulls with the ignition off, that puts a bit of fuel in the cylinder already, but this is pretty good at starting this, so Old Faithful. It's hard to pull it like this. There we have it. A quick, I'm going to call this bodge fix. just until the new part comes. I can still use it. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and I hope this gets you out of trouble with any of your kit. And yeah, I'll see you next time.